Hi guys, welcome back. Me pass registration and claim update. This is another banger. If you have not started mining me, you are really missing a lot. This project you can mine and sell just like VeryChat, Cedra and what have you. The price of one Mec is close to 15,000 naira now. So imagine if you have up to 10 Mec, what it will mean. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to register, verify your account and start cashing out daily on this project. So the first thing to do is to locate the link in the video description. If you are coming across the channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp group at Telegram channel for high value updates. So here we are going to explore. So this place says show the earth, Meta Earth, me my way. And once you do this, you are going to be receiving 0.3 Mec monthly only if you join this show. To join it, you have to do a little task. You talk about Mec on your social media, and once you do that, every month you are receiving 0.3 Mec. Now, this is what you need to do. They have the me ID. It is important that once you register, you must pass your KYC so that you can receive your me ID. Without doing your KYC, you are not going to receive this me ID and you will not be able to sell your me coin if you wish to sell. Now they have the chat option where you chat with friends and earn reward as well. Now the link, this is where you tackle your group ID and every other thing concerning your ambassadorship node reward click. Now if you go to the wallet, this is the wallet. The wallet, you have your tokens, your me, which you get from claiming every day, your token and your NFT. If you have any NFT, you are going to see it here. If you explore this particular one, this one is Plug Gold Hunter, and you will win some amount of Mec. Now you can as well receive and transfer your Mec, like I said, but you must do your KYC. So once you register, you have to be doing your daily check-in. That is the only way to earn, and to invite your friends. Your daily check-in, you invite your friends. So you see here, I need to do the daily check-in. I have missed so many days, and what you need to do is just to tap on this check in today. If you tap on this check-in today, look at it, say enhance happiness for a better life. You are going to just write it, enhance the way it is written, happiness for a better life. And after that, you click on check-in, on-chain check-in. Once you tap on on-chain check-in, you click on confirm. Now you put your password. You know your me password, you will know it when registering. So success checked in. I have checked in today. So tomorrow again, I will come back and check in. So this is basically where you earn. Another avenue to earn passive on this project is to stake. You need to stake. So coming here, you can as well stake to receive passive rewards. Now if you click on this me, you can now see the staking. I have one Mec which I stake and I have been earning it every month. You can see my flexible team and Nigeria zone withdrawal block reward. I stake my Mec. I received this one on January 18th. So I received 0.01 for staking. So if you stake your Mec, the minimum amount you can stake is 1 Mec. Once you stake it, you will be receiving rewards. That is for staking. So this is the no staking rewards. We have the flexible term, which the highest annualized 12.5%. I have the fixed term, which you stake will be earning 25%. The highest annualized. So this is the staking method you have. Yeah, that is the staking method you have here. So take your me pass extremely serious and be cashing out daily. Yeah, you can sell minimum of 0.1 Mec and make money from that. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.